Guys, it's a sad day. We've lost one of our very own true car guys, Randall Deere. He has joined the minivan clan.
Don't hate.
Hello! Today's your favorite day. It's Sunday.
Sunday fun day.
It's Supra Day.
Supra Day.
So, as you can see,
Don't. It's very dirty.
well, I was going to say, Randall actually works on his car when we're not filming,
Try to.
unlike me.
I have two assistants that don't really assist.
So a lot has changed since the last time you saw it. It's got the hood on, it's got the bumper on. What else?
The bumper's barely being held on.
It's on though.
The corner lights, the under the hood is done. Woo!
All the wiring you said's done, right? Well, to an extent.
I still gotta pull. There's like a bunch of cables that go back to the trunk where that amp was. So I gotta pull all those out. Look, the motor looks the same.
Yeah.
Still dirty.
So what are we doing today?
Tying up some loose ends. So maybe we can drive this thing.
Yeah. If you guys are good, we'll take you on a little test drive.
Around the neighborhood
Yeah.
with cops.
Don't worry about them cops. They'll be happy for you. They won't.
No, they won't.
Yeah, they will.
Not in the least.
They'll just stand there like this.
Thumbing for rides.
Just giving you a thumbs up. So yeah, what are we doing? Putting some gauges in?
Unfortunately, no, I don't have any gauges. So no gauges.
So we're just gonna stand around until it's light enough out to where we can...
Well, we gotta change the oil.
Oh.
Cut in a transmission cooler.
You have the cooler?
I do.
Oh.
Put some more fluid in it. Power steering fluid. Make a turbo filter.
Out of...
Screen.
fiberglass screen.
It's a good temporary fix. I got a nice elbow for here, but there's a power steering rope for it in the way,
Yeah.
and I haven't had time to move it.
So yeah, come along with us on this magic carpet ride. What are you doing?
Taking the target out.
It's not sunny out.
So I can see to work in it.
Oh, is that why they put that there?
And I knew you were going to be working on it.
Yeah. You got it?
Yep.
Look at that. That looks cool.
Why did I take it up this way? Someone's up.
Oh wow. That's pretty sweet.
First time I've ever done that.
We's gonna teach you how to make a turbo screen the right way. Not really. Don't do this. So, this is a temporary solution.
I wouldn't call it a solution.
Or temporary.
Probably not. They probably live there. Knowing me, be like, yeah, this is good.
Yeah. Until it gets sucked in.
I'm gonna, kill my turbo. Yield. GT3582.
So if you're watching this and you work for Turbo Guard,
I've actually talked to that guy before. He's
oh yeah,
he's super nice.
tell him to send us something.
Huh?
Tell him to send us something.
I was just asking him a question.
Oh,
That's all. It's not like I'm friends with him.
oh. Well, you just made it sound like you like went to like a
I was just gonna
barbecue
say-
at his house or something like.
What's up, Mr. TG?
So you just put that on there like that and get a rubber band,
Done,
and
bro.
then you're done. Should just use pantyhose.
Because I've got those laying around.
Do people still wear pantyhose?
I'm probably like the worst person with that.
Do you still wear pantyhose?
Not anymore.
Hmm.
They ride up. I had a heck of a blade.
Maybe Jim took it.
Who?
Jim
Jim.
Duggan.
What? Okay.
Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Leave a comment below if you think Randall should dress up like Hacksaw Jim Duggan for Halloween.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to make Halloween Havoc.
I was just talking about Halloween in general.
Maybe if you want to see me run around my underwear.
With a 2x4?
2x4. I guess I'm going to have to like cut or get a wig too. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to grow my hair out fast enough.
Did he have a mullet or did he just have long hair?
I think it was just long hair.
Curly long hair. But it was like 80s. Like, it wasn't like long, all even length. Let me look up the picture. So if you don't know who Hacksaw Jim Duggan is,
Where have you been?
Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Yes, my phone is. It was a mullet.
Was it?
Uh,
There you go.
we have to bring the turbo screen to our research and development department before we put that on. So we're going to move on to these here gauges that we don't have. So basically just hooking up the radio. Do you have gauges?
Huh?
Do you have gauges?
We can go
No.
have gauges.
Do you have a boost gauge?
Factory one.
Oh. Does it work?
Kind of, sort of. Boost gauges are overrated anyway.
Huh?
Boost gauges are overrated anyway.
Are they?
They are.
I just broke it.
Probably. Look pretty with no gauges in it.
Yeah. So we put that in just to look at it.
Pretty much, yeah.
Who makes that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Auto extrude. They make a lot of. They make like cup holder, gauge pods, deletes. If you don't have HVAC or a radio, they sell some pretty neat stuff. They sell fog lights too, projector fog lights. The housings for it. So if you need a gauge cluster, a cup holder, some delete plates, check out Auto Extrude.
This is not a paid advertisement.
No, not at all. We just like their stuff.
We would like it to be a paid advertisement.
Shameless plugs.
Alright, so we're going to drive this thing up on ramps. Changed Earl. Burp the coolant. AKA water. almost just got ran over.
Is it on there?
Yeah, kinda.
What do you mean kinda?
This ramp's kind of like.
E-brakes up. It's in tar.
So the oil's changed. Now we're gonna start it up and burp the radiator. All right, guys, we're gonna go on a little test drive. Just keep in mind, we're not gonna do anything crazy because there's no tags or insurance on this thing.
And it's like 8:30 in the morning.
Yeah, but sun shining, tops off. So we're gonna see what happens.
It's smoking pretty bad.
There's a pilot in the way, I can't see. No one's coming.
Anything?
Nope.
It's not too loud.
Huh?
It's not too loud.
No. It's just right.
That.
Yes, we need some power steering. Does my head stick out of the target?
It looks like it doesn't. I think it like it. That's, see where the roof line is?
Yeah. Floor it right now.
Yeah.
She didn't look very happy.
Huh?
She didn't look very happy.
I can't tell if it's just really dirty or we're really smoky behind us.
Windshield's pretty dirty. There's no smoke. Give them what the people want.
The gauge doesn't work.
I thought you said it did.
It was working before. I lost my water temp gauge too. We're almost out of gas too.
Don't need gas. Feels warm.
Getting there?
Yeah. It's warm.
Is it? We achieved nothing except getting the oil changed, and it burped a little bit. Well, we did drive it,
Yeah.
and it moves on its own power around the block.
Yeah. Like I said, we couldn't do anything because we have too much at risk.
Yeah.
We don't want to go to jail.
Not now.
So that's gonna do it for today.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. As always, we don't know what next week will entail. Could be at my house, could be back here. If Randall gets tags and insurance on this, then foot's going all the way through to the floor. And we're going to do highway pulls of 200 miles an hour and above.
Are we talking about the right car?
It's a Supra, right? Aren't they supposed to do 200 miles an hour?
7M.
Oh.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
If you need some shirts, hats, stickers, head on over to sandrmotoring.com. Pick it up. Everything you buy goes right back into the channel, so we can do more to entertain you more.
Ooh.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah.
That was pretty cheesy.
Yeah, it was. Sound like a used car salesman.
Maybe that'll be my next career choice. Like a real bad suit.
Yeah.
Just greased back hair.
Anyway, we'll see you next week. See you.
Bye. Kung Pao?
Yeah. Are you gonna say it?
No. I'm just waiting to see either before the SD card dies or you keep on motoring.